Hello everyone. So today I have a quick tarot reading for you. Okay. The words which I'm hearing for you are that if today is the last day of your life, then how would you live it? So start living this last day right now. Okay. However, you would love to live it, with whatever people you would love to live it, wherever you would love to go. Okay. This is what I'm hearing for you. Also, you are somebody who's done a lot of inner work, is what I feel, or you are on this transformation journey right now. Also, color black is significant, so I was called to wear the color black. Okay, maybe you love to wear the color black, or you love to connect with the night sky. Let's see what do we have from the God, from the gurus, from the ancestors, angels. Yes, you are somebody who's closing out cycles right now, some painful chapters in your life. Okay, you have been through a lot, like I was getting that you have done a lot of inner work. And the sun god is helping you. Okay, so offer water to the sun, Surya Dev. Take sunlight wherever possible, whenever possible. Okay, and chant Om Suryaya Nama. Okay, when you offer the jal or the water to Surya Dev, or even if you do a namaskaram to the Surya Dev, like a namaste, it will really help you, because he is giving you that energy to move ahead in life. You can also wear yellow color, orange color. These are good colors for you to wear to attract more positive energies in your life. And like I said, I was feeling the color black. So this is a Queen of Swords, but the masculine can be feminine and feminine can be masculine. This is somebody who has learned to come in her boundary, maintain the boundaries. So if you are a masculine in this energy, you have learned to you have learned to maintain a boundary now with people. So people can't just walk over you right now. Okay, you know that how to talk, when to talk. Things have been very slow for you. Okay, slowly things are moving ahead for you. This is the slowest card of tarot, but you have learned to trust the process. You have learned to trust the divine. Okay, so you may be seeing 10-10, you may be seeing 7-7, and like I said 7, and I saw 7 of Pentacles. Just look. So again, this is he's worn black color, so I was just getting that feeling today. And 7 of Pentacles means you have done a lot of inner work, you have grown a lot internally and externally. People are also noticing the change within you, how you have changed, evolved. You have changed, evolved. Hierophant, okay, which is you are very committed towards yourself. You are a very loyal person. You are a very clean soul. You have also gained spiritual insights, spiritual knowledge, spiritual wisdom that everything is conditioning, and you are coming out of the layers of society conditioning. How much inner work you have done. Again black. So yes, follow your intuitions. Okay, move forward. Roses may be of significant, because I see roses here. Okay, so if you want to give roses to somebody, you will give. If you are somebody who is going to receive, then you will receive, or you may buy for yourself. Okay, but share your love with everybody. Okay, with whomever is important for you in this life, and communicate, because I was getting the communication, and you will see the letter over here. So communicate, because you may never know what that communication might bring. Take that leap of faith. Jump in this water. Okay, so you are somebody who may also like water element, maybe swimming in the water, maybe just loving the water energies. So jump in this water, because unless and until you don't jump in this water, you will not understand what is there for you right now. Okay, crystals may be of significant. You may be love to wearing crystals. Also, you may be somebody who is in the public eye, public figure. Okay, or somebody who is very well known, but you are healing internally. You are healing a lot. Okay, stars are aligned for you, luck is there for you. You have learned to temper your emotions, learn to balance yourself. So now whatever steps you will take will be very good for your life. Okay, and yes, 77 is of relevance. Like I said earlier, this is Chariot. Things are moving forward for you. You will be victorious in whatever actions and decisions you take. Okay, so just take that action, because it will be victory. You will gain victory. You are somebody who's worked a lot internally and even externally. You are working very hard in your profession. You are learning, gathering knowledge, information, and also being by yourself. Okay, you are somebody who is very abundant in his energy, whether it's physically, mentally, emotionally, financially. You are a very abundant person. Okay, this is a king of pentacles, so you can reverse the energies. Masculine can be feminine and feminine can be masculine. And you are somebody who loves nature also. You are somebody who gathers a lot of information, goes slowly, but is very stable, is very grounded. Okay, so this is what I'm having for you, getting for you. You are overcoming a lot of heartbreaks. You are healing yourself, like I said earlier. You are healing from the past heartbreaks, whatever you have been through in life. You are healing from people who have been in devil like energies, who have been narcissist, toxic, manipulative, argumentative. Okay, but you will get your life. Double two. You will also see double two if this reading is for you. This is two of pentacles and two of cups. You will meet the people of your life. You will meet the right collaborations. You will have the right people in your life. You are balancing yourself. Things are balancing out for you. Let's just pull one last card. Yes, everything what I said is a truth. You are a truth speaker. You will get clarity from the universe. Speak your authentic truth. Live your authentic truth.